Massage Therapist Nation, this is Dror from Bodyology again. We all know that massage therapists practicing massage bring challenges and opportunity. What we're trying to find out today is there any difference in the challenges and opportunity that we have nowadays compared to, let's say, 10, 20 years ago? What's the effect of 21st century, second decade, into the different challenges and opportunity that massage therapists have, especially those who start practicing? Let's start really with the challenges. What are the different challenges that new graduates, when they're starting to practice massage, have compared to, say, I don't know, 10, 20 years ago? I think that the first challenge we have is the fast pace of life, when there is a lack of space and time to actually sit with clients or prospective clients and explain really what massage can do. It's really hard to find that space where a lot of people just going through messages and another post in Facebook, when to actually listen to each other and to absorb the message that you have. Also, that the fast pace of life means that our clients are less likely to wait until your treatment works. So before, it might take 5 sessions to improve clients' health and well-being. Now I'm not sure that people would be happy with just waiting for 5 sessions to see if it's working or not. When you're thinking about it, there is a whole lot today on offer. Gadgets, apps, websites, information, what works, what doesn't work for health and well-being. And people are quite bombarded with that amount of information, and it's hard to make sense for them about what works and what massage can offer. Let's think just about the offer of massage. We have holistic massage, we have deep tissue, we have remedial, we have sport with sneakers, we have sport without sneakers, we have NMT, we have myofascial, we have release of tension. That clients would start saying, wait, what's going on? I'm getting confused. And if you pay attention to yourself, a lot of the time, when I go to a place that has too many things on offer, my decision at the end is, I'm too confused and I don't choose. So this is one of the things that we need to really make as a clear statement for our clients. What are we going to do and what we are actually doing? And yes, you may not get everyone, but at least the message needs to be clear and easy for them to communicate, because otherwise they're not going to choose anything. Also, I came across a research lately about satisfaction of clients in spa, and apparently 70% of them are not happy with the massage they receive in spa, the regular kind of good old day, full body massage, Swedish technique. So clients now know a lot more, and they know what they need. They've heard about different techniques, and they are a lot more educated. So we as a therapist, we need to keep an edge on and to know a little bit more from our clients. So that's also a big challenge for us to educate ourselves more and more and more. Next one is something that is another subject that I'm not sure how to present it. That I wrote here that there are a lot more massage therapists, and I don't want to create that kind of effect that it's a problem, because I see all massage therapists as colleagues, not as competitors. However, there are a lot more. I remember once in the street that I practiced, there was maybe 8 massage therapists. I think that about half of them never practiced, but they were registered around. And it's a lot hard to make yourself in an edge, to give yourself an edge, so then client know to choose you rather than others. Another challenge, I wrote it as an opportunity and as a challenge as well. So it's the marketing. Marketing. Know how to talk about your practice. Know what you're doing well. Make the message clearer. And I think that the challenge here is that if you don't, so there is a challenge if you do it badly, but that's half as good. The big challenge if you don't do it. And I know a lot of great-hearted massage therapists that just don't want to do that because they're here in massage just to make people feel good, not to make money, but we have to make money. So marketing, yeah, it's a challenge. It's a challenge for everyone, but it's a good challenge if you're taking it. And it can be also improved dramatically your understanding about why client coming. So let's try to be friends with marketing rather than saying, how one of my students says, I don't like this propaganda. I like people to come because they really love what I'm doing. Yeah. So is it propaganda? I think it's just really understanding the nature of the world today and really trying to do our best with that. Okay, I think it's enough with, well, hopefully not, but these are the challenges. Now let's look at opportunities. How can you rock and roll and be happy and say, what a wonderful world we have today, and I can learn and I can improve my techniques and I have so much to learn and it's quite amazing. So let's try to make sense of what's the opportunities here. Okay, so what's the opportunities? First of all, I'm so happy to say that massage at last moved to the mainstream of society. Yoo-hoo! This is great news. People don't raise an eyebrow again if you go to massage. It becomes normal. How wonderful. I think we should celebrate that. Yeah, it's amazing. It's really, really amazing. And I remember the days that, especially me as a male therapist, people are like, what are you doing? I'm like, massage, all these kind of wrong comments. I don't get it anymore. It's great. I'm a massage therapist. Fantastic. And it's such a relief. Such a relief. So I think well done for everyone who worked hard in doing it. And that's a big opportunities for us today. Next one is that a lot more people try massage. I think massage as a complementary therapy is on the rise, even with the financial crisis, Brexit, and all of that. People really recognize the need, and you can see the crowd show their foot, and they go and to have more and more and more massages, really. So that's great. This is really, really amazing. Another thing is that the profile of a massage therapist as a job improved. I think people proud to say that, a lot more proud to say that. I think you can make more decent earning from that. And I think a lot of people jealous. Like, wow, you're working self-employed, you're not part of this big machine of incorporated companies. So I have a lot of students who come in who fed up with it, who fed up with just doing things for a big company to make more money. They want to do something wonderful and earn from that. Something decent, something that helps others, and something that they feel great about it. And I think this is great that it really moves into a profession that a lot of people really feel proud to be and jealous if they're not. I think they should be. Okay, so there is a lot more opportunity to reach clients. To be honest, not that I'm using all of them, but you have your website, you have Facebook, Twitter, blah, 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 blah. Yes. So I think don't use all of them because you can't. I think use 3 or 4 that you're really good at, and the rest leave for others. But you can reach client in a lot more, I think, exciting ways. And this is the challenge I give to most of my students when they finish in the diploma course. They hate it. I love when they hate it because it's a challenge, and we do it in class, and it's better to do it in class than to not do it at all. I asked them to take a 30-second, they work in pairs, and I asked them to take 30-second video about themselves, welcoming clients onto their website. So imagine you have a website and you like, okay, here is my website, welcome, and why they should come to see you. Now, it is a challenge, but actually it's a huge opportunity, because people will come to see you as a therapist because they see you and they like the sound of your voice, your gestures. They feel more inclined to come to you if they see you. So I think that's a huge opportunity. I mean, it is a challenge as well, so they kind of mix them together. Okay, one last thing, I think, maybe more. You can learn today anything. Accountancy, how to make a good logo, creating a good website, learning techniques, how to communicate well with clients. I mean, I'm part of it. Bodyology, we have a YouTube channel with, now today is February 2020, we just crossed 11 million viewers around the world. We have 55,000 subscribers who all the time learn from our technique all around the world. How wonderful it is. When was it? 10 years ago. You need to kind of look at through books and try to understand the massage technique. Now you have videos. Amazing. I think videos change the world, the way that we learn. And it's a lot more intuitive. You can see it. You don't have to kind of look at you don't have to read thick books about massage technique. You just see it, makes sense, go and learn it. Go and learn. So today you can learn a lot. If you have a thirst, if you have a passion to learn, just go and learn. Do it lunch break, do it in the afternoon, in the morning. You can learn anything. Really amazing. And there are a lot of meetups, a lot of Massage Training Institute offer some really cheap courses. We offer courses, many people offer courses. It's amazing, really. The richness of knowledge, which is sometimes difficult again. You need to decide which one to take, this one, that one, but slowly develop that intuition to what works and what doesn't work for you. So to finish, we have seen some opportunities and some challenges in today. The world changed, and it changed faster and faster. We all know that. So what can I give you at the end of this video? I can tell you what we're starting actually the first weekend of the diploma course. We're starting with the concept that we call ATP. ATP is the 3 pillars that makes a good massage therapist, and I think today is super important. A stands for ability to give good treatment. Actually, ability to give an excellent treatment. Today, your edge over what the client wants and need and other therapists is to be excellent in what you do. Good is not good enough. Good massage technique, good understanding about anatomy, and God bless, good connection with the anatomy and the pathology into massage. I see a lot of people who have dual channel, anatomy, massage, and they never meet. Why? Who knows? The second, so this is the A. T stands for therapeutic relationship. People today are missing it. There is a thirst of trying to connect and communicate with each other on a personal, tactile, social level. Have someone listen really to them and not through a screen or anything like that. Super important. So develop that part of you. Super important. So this is the T. The P, promote your business, be great in communication, and I think a lot of us don't understand the nature of promoting and marketing. You don't have a website, you don't need a website for that. You need to know how to talk. And a lot of the time I tell students and graduates, your best marketing is your anatomy knowledge. You need to know how to explain your anatomy, how to explain pathology. That's why client coming to you, not because you have a nice website. That's 5 seconds and then they go on with it, yeah? But you can attract them to you with a nice website. After that is what you're talking to them. How a client coming and say, I don't know, I went to the doctor and I have rheumatoid arthritis and I don't know. You're thinking, wait a minute, let me explain. Rheumatoid arthritis is where your immune system, for an unknown reason, attack your synovial joint. So think about this white blood. You see, this is marketing. Not that, oh, I'll give you a discount, etc., etc. Guys, I can talk for America, I know. Massage Nations, thank you very much and looking forward to hear from you.